Good morning, Executive MBA. It's a real pleasure for me to have the opportunity to share with you a few thoughts from my experience as an executive working in the banking and technology industry for a long time. What does digital transformation mean? For me, many things. It's not just one definition. It's the new competitive advantage for any company or industry. It's also a big change in the way we manage companies, challenging everything to change what is necessary. It's really having the customer in the center of organization, about a new culture for the new digital world, also respecting and learning from new competitors, fintechs, new banks, marketplaces, that without having 50 years of history may start up tomorrow with innovation and technology and take a portion of your business in just 1 or 2 years. Therefore, digital transformation is about generating the strategy and the execution roadmap for become or remain the leaders in a fast-moving world. Second idea related to the vision is before starting the execution of the digital transformation program, it's necessary to be completely sure of the ambition of the program, to have a deep strategic assessment and to validate it at all levels in the organization. Do we need a holistic approach transforming the business model, distribution model, operating model, the whole company? Or just we need a partial approach focused to digitalize, for instance, the business operation? Not everyone needs the same strategy. Importance, the two most important critical success factors in a digital transformation program. The first one is to have the customer in the center. This is probably the most important thing in the digital transformation program. Managing internal change management, adapting organizational structures, re-engineering processes, and implementing operational and technology projects may distract from what is the main priority: customer journeys, omnichannel strategy, digital marketing, and examples of key things for having a customer-focused organization. And don't forget to measure results through key performance indicators. Customer NPS, percentage of digital sales, number of customer journey optimizations, etc. Digital transformations make sense when you capture the business. Second, it's a critical success factor to have a full align the corporate strategy with the digital transformation program. Corporate strategy does not change every year. A 5 years or so cycle is the standard for evaluating corporate strategy. However, a digital transformation program may be changing or evolving in shorter periods of time. It's critical to have a common goal and a full alignment between corporate strategy and digital strategy. Finally, the more you have clear defined goals across the organization, the better it will be for getting the right coherence between strategy and operational execution. Skills and innovation. My statement here is to manage in a different way digital transformation of your current business from new business models you may create. There's a huge challenge to transform the way we operate in our current business model, and there is a big return if you make it. For sure, my following statement may not be valid for all industries, but at least for banking it works. In my view, 90% of efforts should be applied to run and transform our current business model and to have the entire organization committed with it. In parallel, you may have a dedicated team exploring new business models in the new digital ecosystem. But in my view, it's a mistake managing both things together. Why? It's much more cool, more attractive, innovating and incubating new business models than transforming current ones. If you want to have the right balance, it's better to separate. Additionally, it's important to understand that the talent you need for creating business models in the digital world may be different. I personally believe that having new talent from other industries, from startups, people with other vision, combined with internal top talent, is a must for creating the breakthrough environment required to find the whole new business model. We have had in banking for decades what they call a proprietary enterprise architecture. That it means that all products and services and all distribution channels were in-house. The new digital ecosystem is just based in the opposite, an open enterprise architecture. You may sell products or services from other companies, or you may use third-party channels to sell your products or services. The same concept applies for manufacturing, supply chain, everything in the value chain. Or you even may create or co-create new digital platforms to sell products or services from different companies. You need a completely different mindset to create new business models, and therefore, in my view, it's better to manage in a different way with a different dedicated team. It's not easy for a proprietary enterprise architecture culture to deal with alliances, partnerships, with needs definitely a new mindset, a new culture, fresh talent, and new skills. Oversight, a governance model at executive committee and board level must be in place to guarantee vision, strategy, and execution. NADT initiative is impacting several areas and everything must be orchestrated and synchronized. As an example, launching a new relationship channel with customers based in digital relationship managers instead of branch office managers requires new technology, new processes, new ways of working, new real estate capabilities. It means a completely different way to manage, from vertical, hierarchical organizations to cross-functional teams working on agile methods. It's also, in my view, mandatory to have a framework, a reference model that helps to orchestrate all the initiatives and to monitorize the execution of the transformation program and measure the results. Digital transformation is a long journey and impacts all the organization. It's quite important to define a progressive approach. All potential initiatives must be prioritized by return of investment impact, either on income growth or cost efficiency. And having a framework or a methodology, it's also a must. Just to summarize on digital transformation, the game is on in all industries and companies. You are not an exception. There is not a reference model for success. Different ways make to the right point. Do not wait to find the right reference model. Make your own way to go. Third, leaders make the difference, and you are the leader. Fourth, to have a framework, a methodology is a must. And don't forget about cybersecurity. Bad people is there, hidden in the network, and they are really dangerous. Cybersecurity needs to be in the DT agenda. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy your MBA experience, and I wish you the best for the future. Good luck and thanks.